Okay, so in pondering this, this is the straight portion of a hanger plus the curve. This is my thinnest hanger that I have. I'm just working through ideas in my head. Okay, so obviously I can't flatten out the end of the hanger because the opening to the pin, I couldn't get it as secure and tight as I wanted it to get. So I can't flatten it out. That's just not going to work. So this is what I came up with. Okay, these would be cut and positioned tighter, but this would work. Okay, so the solution to the hinges not being where I need them to be is just cut the hanger up past the bend and straighten the bend out. Okay, so this so far is what I think I'm going to do. Alright, I cut it. Now I'm going to put it back together. But it looks like it's going to accordion very well. Alright. I will bring you back when I get it back together. And I am wearing gloves. Well, I don't have them on yet. I just took them off. But yeah. Safety first. Well, we're further along. I have some of the panels fastened together. I have 4 more hinges and rods to put on, or pins if you want to call them that. If you're going to make one of these, and you're going to make the hinges, don't put the hinges close to the pin. I mean the holes close to the pin, because when you actually attach them, it's very difficult because I'm just catching the lip. Yeah, I've had to put 3 screws in some of them because I think there's a possibility that with use they're going to pull out. Alright, so that is about to become a whole unit. So hopefully I'm on the right track. Hope it all fits together properly. Okay, here's to nothing. Well, there it is. It's all folded. It's all cut. It's got a lot of spring to it, because if I take this off, it'll open up. Okay. I think it's working. Now we won't know until we put the rods across it. Okay, moving right along. Got the harp on. Okay. Gonna try to fit it together now. Hold your breath. I'm serious, hold your breath. Okay, so there it is. The hiking oven. It's relatively finished. I just have got to tweak it a little bit. Okay, so I have to clean up some of the thread, all 4 of them, and I'm not sure which ones right now, but I screwed up the threads when I cut them. Okay, and once I get that so that I could put the wing nuts on it, I will be able to draw that in. Okay, so she is. Okay, now the bottom rack, I can either put my heating source on that or put it on the pizza pan on the bottom. So that gives me some versatility. The middle rack is definitely for cooking. Okay, and then X of X Nation said, hey, you know what? That would make a great smoker. Well, it would if I can close up the gaps a little bit. But I thought I could hang stuff from the top rack. Okay, so the idea is to get some Reflectix and make a cover for it to close up those gaps. But that's a little bit down the line. It took a long time. It was a really cool project. And I'm surprised that it turned out as well as it did, considering everything. Alright. Viola. Or voila. Alrighty. Getting dizzy. Okay. Until the next project. Thanks for sticking around, guys. I totally appreciate the support. Appreciate you hanging around. Alrighty. And again, thank you, and until the next project.